Lowe's has these little miniature bathtubs. We'll put the light on so you can see better. They'll be perfect for dolls. Look, they also have a blue one. Isn't that beautiful? Sewing kit, gardening kit, water can. Here's a 54-piece deck of mini cards. Painters, guitar. Here's miniature food. It's $4.99 for miniature fast food. And there's a basket of fruit. Wow, they just have everything. There's a picnic and a wine set. There's some more food. A tea set. There's bottles of Coca-Cola. Jars of fruit. A plate with cakes on it. Here's eggs and a beater. Haven't seen that one before. A plate of cookies. Beer. Drinks. Let's see. Jars. Lots of jars. Silverware. Pans. Well, there's a mirror. That would look good in my Barbie house. A lamp. What's this? There's a map and stuff. Little ink pens. Encyclopedias or books. There's a Bible. Miniature buckets. Sea stuff. There's a little chair with an umbrella. Flowers. I think this is dog food. There's a little cat. And some deer and rabbits. They have some stuff up here, but I can't really reach it that good. There's some mushrooms. A water fountain. A bridge. Let's see what's over here. A picnic table is up there. Some fairies. And sea stuff. Little miniature birds. Ducks. Turtle and a snail. There's people. These are miniatures. They have a miniature fence. Bales of hay. Tools. Brooms. A barrel. Here's a miniature sewing machine. And here's little tools. I don't know if you can see it. There's a box of tools. There's a grill. Embellishments. Little people. Gone fishing. Sewing kit. Gardening kit.